Yeah. Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Unboxing. Hey guys, it's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. I have another unboxing for you. Today we're going to talk about hearing protection and why I think it's important in a couple different modes on how we're going to do hearing protection. We got what I ride with now. There are Earpeace Motorcycle specific earplugs. I'll get a close-up on them. They're these little guys that have a hearing canal protector, but it lets you hear your music and you can put them in. They're just earplugs. Tell you why I'm using them, what I like and what I don't like, and we'll get in the Radians custom molded plugs and the Decibullz, which I've never used before, and show you all about the protection and why I'm using them. The main reason I use hearing protection is because not for the engine noise, is mainly for the wind noise. I hate that feeling where you just go for a ride and afterwards you hear a buzzing or a humming from the wind. All hearing damage is usually from the wind, and you can read the specs, you can read everything about it. Who cares about the wind noise? I like hearing the engine, I like hearing traffic, I like hearing my music, my navigation. All these options let you hear that. It just mainly blocks out the specific wind noise, and I think that's really important. So let's get into, I'll take a little closer peek about all these different systems and how they fit and how you install them and the pluses and minuses of each. I haven't used these ones before, the Decibullz, but I have used the custom molded earplugs by Radians and the Earpeace custom Earpeace earplugs. So let's get a closer picture. All right, again, here is a little case that I use for my Earpeace ear protectors. You can see they have a special center that you can block more wind or less wind and let more sound in through there. I think red is the highest decibel. I'll put a link in the description to them and also what the decibel rating is. I don't like them. I use them because, again, I like that they're reusable over and over again. They're easy to get in and out. They have the little piece right here to pull them in and out of your ears. I don't like them because they don't fit. One ear doesn't fit as well as the other. I have different size ear canals and they don't work really good. By the fact that my ear canals are different sizes and one's coming out of my ears more than the other. Frustrating. All right, so we'll get into the Radians. I'm gonna unbox these. I think they were 10 bucks on eBay. Everything I bought, or Amazon. Amazon or eBay, you can look, they were 10, 11 bucks shipped. Whoa, all right. It comes as a kit, 26 decibel protection, and you can see all the directions in there. I know exactly what you do. Basically, in a little carrying case, you have blue and white. They come in all sorts of different colors. I don't know why I got blue and white, I just did. And you mix half and half, and you roll it and put it in your ear canal for 10 minutes after you mix it up, and then you get this weird custom molded earplug. So we'll get into that in a second. All right, we'll start with the Radians first. I'm just gonna read the directions so you guys can follow along, but you need to follow the directions exactly specific when you buy them. Don't listen to me, go to the website or go to the card when you buy them. Basically, you get half each, you clean your ears and your hands off, and you get half of each of these colors, and you rub them in a ball for 30 seconds. Then you put your head level and press into the ear canal, and you kind of keep it flat there. And you don't talk, and you fold in excess of several times over and over so it pushes into the ear canal. And the silicone will conform to your ear's contour, forming a good seal. Fill the outer ear as completely and smoothly as possible. A mirror is helpful, which I absolutely recommend. So I'll put them in, but then I'm gonna go into a mirror. Do not remove the, for a minimum of 10 minutes. So we'll do one, then the other, and then I'm going to the mirror, and I'll show you what it's like when we're done. So I'm opening them up. All right, there we are. And I'm gonna get half and half. Here we go, one at a time. 10 to 15 seconds. Get it nice and blah. Mixed up. All right. All right. That is nice and mixed up. All right, I'm gonna roll it in a ball and then put it in my ear. And I can't talk after this, so don't expect me to talk. I'm gonna get into the other one now. Show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, that's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. One of the really cool things is you can hear them popping and crackling as they harden. So basically, to take them out, you just kind of lift your ear up and kind of finagle them out. All right, there's one. Woo! Let's get the other one. All right. And there's the other one. They are some funny looking pieces. That's what you got. Forgot to tell you, in the bag is this little holder, or little holder for them. So one of the advantages of these guys is, well, they're real specific to each ear. They only go in one way, and only going one way. There we go. And so you can't really mix them up, and they're really custom molded to each ear. They're not the easiest to put in or take out, but when they're in, they fit flush usually really good. And when you use these guys right here, they don't sit flush, and sometimes they can push on your helmet and cause ear pain over a longer period of time. So just to kind of show you, this is what they look like when they're in. Put the helmet on, and I'll tell you what it feels like with the helmet on. So, can I feel them in the helmet? A little bit, not too bad. I use a full face when I ride most of the time, especially if I'm talking and so forth. But yeah, they're not too bad. They're pretty comfortable, and they do block out a lot of the noise, of the wind noise, and you can still hear your music and intercoms and so forth. Probably the negative about these ones is they are a little awkward to get in and out. I find the best way to do it is just pull up on your ear and take them out if you can. There we go. And they look weird. Another thing is they're kind of hard to store, so you do need this little bag, and eventually they do decompose. You can wash them, they do decompose. All right, so that is the Radians. I'm going to show you the Decibullz next. Let's do that. And here is the Decibullz. 31 decibel custom molded earplug protection. Now this is kind of a combination between the Earpeace and the Radians. The reason being, it's a 2-part system or 3-part system. You get a little bag in there, directions, which I'll read out, all sorts of different size connectors for different ear canals. And this is the main thing here. Warning, do not leave your molds in your car. Okay. I'll show you the basic premise behind them. From what I understand is they are custom molded Ooh, I think we'll have to figure out how to custom mold it to fit in your ear canal. And then there's also a hole that lets some sound in. So they fit in the left ear, fit in the right ear after we custom mold them. And so it's the best of both worlds. You mold them to your ear, and then you have different ear canal protector sizes. Let's open this up. Maybe. All right. These are all the different ear canal size protectors that will fit in the ear canal, and then you put these, I guess you put these little things at the end there so you can slide them in and out. That's what it looks like in the air. So let me go ahead and custom mold them, and we'll see exactly how they fit. I read the directions. I forgot to tell you what's in the box. So little handy hearing chart, and then kind of how to do them, as well as all the pieces. The basic premise is you fit the right tip on, the right size tip, and I don't know how you tell what's the right size tip. I'm just gonna go with medium right now, as well as the tip and the back plug, they call it. I think the back plug just helps you take them in and out. You put them in boiling water for 5 minutes, and then you custom mold them to your ear. So you put them in boiling water for 5 minutes in separate cups so they don't stick to each other. And this is very hard material. Unlike the other silicone, this is very, very hard, like plastic. So I'm gonna heat it and put it in boiling water for 5 minutes, and then custom mold them each in my ear. So let's go do that. And we'll let them sit for 5 minutes. I got Little Miss Giggles left ear, Little Miss Sunshine right ear. There they are. Put them in each their own separate cup. All right, so I'm reading the directions in the meantime. Let them sit for 5 minutes. After that happens, I take them out with a spoon. And then insert the molds in the ear, press firmly on the back plug, make sure the tip fits snugly in the ear canal. Big thing is you gotta let them cool down for 30 seconds before you put them in your ear. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna take the pieces out. That's the right ear, left ear. I better switch them around over here. With my spoon, let them sit for 30 seconds. Doesn't feel that hot. All right, let it go. All right, and I'll put them in my ears right now. Doesn't feel that hot. All right. Yeah. All right, put it in my ears. Wow, these ones are a little wet. That's okay. Okay, every 30 seconds, I'm supposed to firmly push on the back of my ear canals. I gotta do this for 5 minutes. It's not very hot. Seems to go pretty good. 30 seconds. I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay, I've been pressing on my earplugs for about 5 minutes, and I can tell you right now, the right ear doesn't feel like it's sealing as well as the left ear. Left ear seems like it's sealed really good. I'll pull them out, and we'll test them in the, putting them back in and test them in the helmet next. Okay, let me go take these out. All right, this pops right out. Wow, these ones look a little weird. Alright. Alright. Huh. That's what they look like. I wonder if that's what they're supposed to look like. Maybe. Yeah, I guess so. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back in my ear and see if they'll seal. There's water. Maybe I'll wait for the water to dry out. Woo! Alright, I have no idea which one's right, which one's left. I think this is the right. That's the right. This is the left. And feels this one didn't seal scotched less, but not, I don't know. Let me try it with the helmet. All right. Feels like it is pushing on the ears a little bit. I may retry the right one here a little bit to see how it works. Yeah. I guess the real test will be riding with them. I can tell you right now, the Radians feel better. I don't know if these ones are gonna seal a little better or not. We'll find out. But I think that's gonna do it for me. I'll give you my feedback later and maybe a follow-up video on which ones I like better between all three. Thanks for liking. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, protect those ears.